Dallisgrass is one of the most difficult to control weed species in turfgrass. It is troublesome in golf courses, sport fields, residential areas like home lawn, and various other turfgrass landscapes. Mowing is not effective for controlling Dallisgrass. The flower stalk often escape mowing and spring back up above the rest of the turfgrass. In this video, I will talk about the herbicide options for controlling Dallisgrass. Dallisgrass is a warm season perennial grass weed. Dallisgrass is a coarse-textured grass weed that grows in a clump. The leaf blades of Dallisgrass are fairly wide compared to other common grass weeds such as bluegrass, crabgrass, and goosegrass. Unlike most bunch-type grasses, Dallisgrass produces short resin. The established plant could go dormant during winter, but the plant grew up from the resin during spring. Dallisgrass is a prolific seed producer. Each plant produces an abundant amount of seed, which are its primary means of dispersal. Seed usually germinate in spring and summer when soil temperature are in the 60 to 65 Fahrenheit range. Dallisgrass grows rapidly, produce seed head from late May through October. Celsius, revolver, monument, and triple total can be used for controlling Dallisgrass. However, a single application of this herbicide cannot eradicate Dallisgrass. Early spring application is usually not effective. I recommend spraying multiple applications of this herbicide in fall to control Dallisgrass. Multiple applications should be made on a 3 to 4 week interval. Spot application can often provide better control than broadcast application. Celsius, revolver, monument, and triple total are labeled for use in Bermuda grass. Besides Bermuda grass, certain other warm season turf grasses such as St. Augustine grass, centipede grass, and Georgia grass are also tolerant to Celsius. You don't want to spray this herbicide in cool season turf, such as top fescue, as they will injure cool season turf. Celsius herbicide is also effective to control various other body weed, grass, and sedge weed in turf grass. The application rate of Celsius is low, ranging from 0.057 to 0.113 ounce of product per 1,000 square feet, that can effectively control various weed species. I have checked the local Walmart, Home Depot, and Lowe's. I did not find this herbicide product, but I found them in Amazon. For homeowners, you may use Celsius because it is more affordable per bottle. This herbicide is post-emergent. I recommend including a surfactant in the spray solution. In some regions of the United States, Bermuda grass goes dormant before Dallisgrass. This provides a time window allowing applications of non-selective herbicide glyphosate. When Bermuda grass is completely dormant, you may broadcast apply glyphosate for control of Dallisgrass. When you are using a glyphosate for controlling Dallisgrass, Bermuda grass must be in complete dormant stage. Glyphosate is a non-selective herbicide. You have to make sure your Bermuda grass is completely dormant before applying glyphosate. You can buy glyphosate in local Walmart, Home Depot, and Lowe's. We need to be cautious when using glyphosate because spraying glyphosate in non-dormant turf likely kills your turf. In well-established turf grass, Dallisgrass seedling may not be able to establish, but if there are open areas in turf, Dallisgrass seed will germinate and emerge. A high density of turfgrass stem will likely reduce Dallisgrass seedling emergence and establishment. Pre-emerge herbicides are not effective for controlling existing plant, but they can prevent Dallisgrass seedling emerge from seed. Prodiamine and dimension will be effective pre-herbicide option for preventing Dallisgrass seedling emerge from seed. These pre-emerge herbicides need to be absorbed by plant root and need to be in the VC germination zone in the soil profile in order to be effective. So after applying this pre-emerge herbicide, the turf area needs to be irrigated with about half inches of water in order to activate this herbicide. This pre-emerge herbicide has soil residual activities that can prevent weeds such as crabgrass, goosegrass, and dandelion emerge from seed. Soil coverage is important when applying this pre-emerge herbicide. Missing a spot could mean VC germination and seed emergence in the future. This pre-emerge herbicide will also prevent turfgrass seed emerge from seed. After applying this pre-emerge herbicide, you have to wait at least 3 to 4 months before seeding or sorting your turfgrass.